Hey, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm so happy to see you all. I hope you all have been doing well and you all have been keeping yourself engaged with some creative activity. So, today, the themes
I
we will focus on leaves. There are leaves in nature, abundant leaves. And why I thought of leaf pattern is it's it depicts nature, right? It depicts freshness, a good start. Whereas, on the other hand, leaves during autumn time they depict an end to something, and then they all fall off, and then in spring we get new leaves. So today's session is on leaves, and we this time we are going to draw. I'm not drawing autumn leaves, but I'm going to draw a certain pattern. Like maybe mango leaves. That's what I look at them as. And let's get going. I've taken a green post-it because I want to like start something afresh. Yeah. So let's get started. I have my 12 micron pen. So I'm taking a thicker one. You can take a thinner one. Let's get started. So what I'll do is I'm going to draw long leaves out here. One and then two. Now in between these, I'm going to create the other one. It's okay if the shape is not perfect, but just get going with the leaf. In many European countries, like I just love those leaves which are um, red, orange, green, purple in color. They look so beautiful. So I've alternated the leaves here, and whatever space I have, I will draw half leaves. Yeah. So I have my leaves here. Now I'm going to draw a line in the center of each leaf. Leaves, like you can just go with your creative mind and create different varieties of leaves. But today I'm starting with a very simple one. Now, day after tomorrow, we will explore some other forms of leaves. Yeah. So one thing I do often is whenever I'm traveling or if I always have my mobile along with me. So I take a lot of photos of plants and leaves that I see in my vicinity, and I just observe them once I have some free time, and I try to create a pattern out of it. So you can do that as well. Be more observant. Just look around, just watch, enjoy nature. So now what I'm doing is uh, I'll start creating the lines of the leaves. Very mindfully ensure that you do not cross over on the other side, or the line does not go outside the leaf. Try to maintain equal distance, like I lost it here. That's fine. If you have space, but don't try to overdo it. Now, and if you want to leave this side blank, leave it blank. The possibilities are endless. Go with what your mind says, go with what your heart says. Yeah. Likewise, now I'm going to fill all the leaves with the slant lines. It's a great way to de-stress. The main thing that I focus on is de-stressing of the mind, and art is just a form, a tool to de-stress your mind. And that's what I'm trying to promote through my sessions, because not many people know that we can just create such simple artwork and give ourselves some peace of mind. People have been trying various other techniques. It works for some, it doesn't work for others. So if you would like to explore art as a tool for yourself, please do so. You never know what you might come up with. So I'm doing these sessions are just to make sure you all understand why meditative pattern, why am I creating this artwork, what purpose does it serve, because many people do not have an idea about meditative patterns. How can it help them? What benefits does it have? So we are at almost the last one. I'm just drawing the slants in the direction that I'm being called to. I'm not following a strict rule that they have to be pointing upwards or downwards. So here's my completed leaf pattern. Do you like it? Try yours, and as usual, please post it on in the comment section. You don't know how much are you inspiring the others. When others look at your artwork, they feel motivated to share theirs with all of us. So do share your artwork. I'll be posting it soon. So have a beautiful day, all of you, and connect with you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you for joining.